Good morning, everyone. I just want to show you my beautiful mophead hydrangeas. I just got 4 over here in this corner, and they look like they're happy and healthy. This area gets, well, it actually gets noon sun, so about 2 hours, but that 2 hours is pretty tough on them. So I'm doing this video when it's cloudy, and they look like they're loving it. We had some rain yesterday, so this one's a little bit droopy from all the rain. But it's beautiful over here. I just put this area in like I would say about 3 months ago. This is probably the mother plant, I believe, and I propagated all the other ones from this mother plant. She's doing beautiful. Look at all the color she's throwing off. So I'm guessing the soil is somewhat pretty much balanced, so it leans either pink or bluish. But this is the only one, well, actually this one over here is throwing a little bit of that multicolor over there. But this one and this one in this corner is just blue, while this one is doing the multicolor for me, which is beautiful. I get a different variety of colors in each. So I'm guessing that means the soil is pretty much at its balance, because if you lean one way or the other, of course it's going to change your flower either from pink or blue. Over here. So definitely beautiful over here, throwing off all the different colors. Now I've got a couple of panicle hydrangeas that I put down, so they haven't flowered yet. Back there is the camellia. It looks pretty sad, but it's actually doing a lot better now. Sitting all these new little growth down here, while the old one is dying off. Lots of new growth. So I'm hoping that eventually this one will get super big, and since they don't drop its leaves, it's going to create that hedge over there, and then eventually we'll remove all those root piles that we took down from all the trees. I have one standard panicle hydrangea here. So what I would like to do is, I actually have a Japanese maple here, which they take forever to grow. I'm planning to flank another one on this side, and then plant a couple of tall things to give the hydrangea some shade. Because even though it only gets a couple hours of sunlight, the 2 hours of sunlight definitely really gets it. Makes it droop pretty bad when it doesn't get enough water. But it perks right back up, so I think it'll be okay. I'm just going to put a couple more flower standard form, tree form around here, and then underplant it with a lot more of the mophead hydrangeas. So that's my little garden right now. This is newly developed area, as you can see. I still have a whole bunch more that I can plant in here. And then start slowly working on the hedge of hydrangeas down there. I've got some growth down there. Those are my gladiolas that I planted in the ground, so they're starting to come up. But I've got to propagate more panicle hydrangeas so I can line them. So that's the game plan for this summer. Just putting things that I already have in, and then keep propagating more to put the whole hedge on both sides of the driveway. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye, everybody.